Hello, hi Andy. This is your Parshram. Welcome to Avidya C Academy. Now, with this class, let us discuss about one of the most important questions for IPE in 8 marks. That is the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. As we know very well, actually the Plasmodium vivax parasite, they require two hosts to complete their life cycle, in which the mosquito is a primary host for the Plasmodium vivax. Now let us discuss about the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Really, it is a very important question for IPE. Okay, now come to the point. Whenever the female Anopheles mosquito bite the malaria patient which sucking the blood, at that time the male and female gametocytes along with other stages are enters into crop of the mosquito. And in the lumen of the crop of the mosquito, all stages are digested except male and female gametocytes. Further, which are undergoes further development. Then, the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito, which is consisting of mainly 4 stages. One is the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito consisting mainly 4 levels. One is Gametogony. Second one is fertilization. Third one is formation of ookinete or oocyst. Then fourth one is sporogony. Yes, these are the main stages or main levels under the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Yes, now let us discuss about what is the gametogony. Yes, I think you know very well about the gametes. Gametes. And gametogony means the formation of male and female gamete from male and female gametocytes is called gametogony. Got it? What I'm saying? Simple male gamete and female gamete formed by a process is called gametogony also. Yes, now let us see how the male gamete is formed, how the female gamete is formed in the mosquito. Okay, right. I will be explained with the help of a neat diagram. That's why now let us see about what. This is actually the diagram of Plasmodium vivax in mosquito. This is what like this. Let's come to the point. But actually, you know very well what is this? The male gametocyte. Then what is this? Female gametocytes. Already I told. Whenever the mosquito bite the malaria patient, the male and female gametocytes along with other stages enters into the crop of the mosquito. That's why these are what male and female gametocytes respectively. For example, this one is what? Female gametocytes. Yes. And this one is what? Male gametocytes. Yes. Now let us see the formation of male gamete and formation of female gamete. Got it? Now see there, this is what? Male gametocyte. Now, during this process in which the nucleus is divided into 8 daughter nuclei are called pronucleus. It's mean what I'm saying here, come to the point. This is actually what? Male gametocytes, in which the nucleus is divided into how many? 8 daughter nuclei are called what? Pronucleus. Then which are moved peri-peri to the cytoplasm. Then in which, next there, what is this? This is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is pushes out 8 flagella like processes. This is, for example, what is this? Flagella like processes. How many? 8. Yes, this is the 8. Yes, whatever. These are the flagella like processes. After pushes out the flagella like processes, the nucleus, the pronucleus are enters into flagella like process. This is like. Then the flagella like process is can show lashing movements. By the lashing movements get separated from the male gametocytes. Now this is called what, like this here. Now which is separated from, when which is separated from male gametocyte at the cytoplasm of the male gametocytes. Now it is called what? Male gamete. Now the process is called what? Exflagellation. Yes, this is what? Simple male gamete. The process is called what? Exflagellation. The process is called exflagellation. Got it? What I'm saying here, once again come to the point. Male gametocytes in which nucleus divides into 8 daughter nuclei are called pronucleus, then which are moved peri-peri to the cytoplasm. Later the cytoplasm pushes out 8 flagella-like processes. Into each flagella-like process, one pronucleus is enters, later which shows a lashing movement. By the lashing movement which is separated from the cytoplasm of the male gametocyte, the process is called exflagellation. As a result, which can form male gamete. Got it? Yes, this is the process of the formation of male gamete in the mosquito. Then let us see what the female gametocytes. This is the female gametocytes. Now say the female gametocytes also undergoes few changes, then which forms the female gamete. The process is called maturation. Simple, after few changes which is develop into female gamete. For example, this is what? Female gamete. What is this? Female gamete. Yes, now come to the point. This is called female gamete. The process is called what? Maturation. The process is called maturation. That's it. Then what is this? Nucleus. After formation of the female gamete, the nucleus is present in this one, then which is move peri-peri to the female gamete. Then at that point which form the cytoplasm form a projection process. The location is called what? The fertilization form. What I'm saying here in the next process now, so there, this is actually the next one. This is what female gamete. Now, in which the nucleus is moved peri like this. The nucleus is moved peri to the female gamete. At that point, the cytoplasm is what forms a projection structure. Now, this is called what? Like this. This is called what? Fertilization cone. Fertilization cone. Yes. During the fertilization, the male gamete is enters into the female gamete through fertilization. Got it? Now see there, that's why this is what male gamete. This is what female gamete. Whatever the male gamete is enters into, yes, this is male gamete for example. The male gamete is enters into the female gamete. What? Through fertilization comes further during the fertilization process. Yes, whatever this is called what? Gametogony. Got it? Yes. The next, let us discuss about what the next level or the next step, that is fertilization. I think you know very well about the fertilization also. Fertilization means what? The male and female gamete fuse to form a zygote is called fertilization. Now see there, what is this? Male gamete. What is this? Female gamete. Now male gamete and female gamete fuse to form a zygote or a new structure is called what? The fertilization. Got it? Now this is actually what is this? The process of fertilization. Now this is the process of fertilization. Yes, just listen here. The male gamete, which is like say what? Which can move actively and do contacts with the female gamete, then enters into the female gamete through fertilization hole. Yes, after that, the nucleus of the male gamete and cytoplasm of the both male and female gamete fuse with each other. As a result, the process is called what? Syncharion. Like this. In this process, what will be formed? Which are fused to each other very strongly. That's why this is called what? Syncharion. Syncharion. Got it? Then, still, the male and female gametes are dissimilar in size. So, these are called what? Anisogamy. Now, see there, anisogamy. Anisogamy mean what? The male and female gametes are dissimilar in size. So this is called what? Anisogamy. Got it? This is the what? The fertilization. Then the next one is after the fertilization, which is forms what? A zygote. This is what? The zygote. This is the zygote. Got it? What is this zygote? Why? Because already I told male and female gametes are fused to form the zygote. The process is called fertilization. Yes, that's why this is called what? The zygote. But now come to the point. After the formation of the zygote, let us discuss about what? Formation of ookinete and oocyst. Fertilization is completed. Then let us see about what? The next level, that is called what? Formation of ookinete or oocyst. Now see there, what is this? Zygote. Usually the zygote is sometimes round in shape and which is in inactive state. Zygote is actually what is this? Which is round in shape as well as inactive. Inactive means non-motile, which cannot move wherever. Yes. But after some time, which is transformed into slender, a long, slender, motile vermicule. So this is called what? Ookinete. Got it? What I'm saying here, this is zygote. After some time, the zygote is transformed into a long, this is what? A long, slender and motile. The stage is called what? Ookinete stage. What is it? Ookinete stage. Also otherwise called what? Vermicule. Vermicule. That's it. This is called what? Vermicule. Then the ookinete or vermicule, which is pierced in the wall of the crop of mosquito and which is settled beneath the basement membrane of the wall of the crop of the mosquito. Now see there, what I am saying here, this is actually what the wall of the crop of mosquito. Got it? This is wall of the crop of the mosquito. Yes, that's why now see that this is ookinete is pierced into the wall of the crop of the mosquito and settled beneath the basement membrane. Later, this stage is transformed into round in stage. Later, which is transformed into round in shape and secretion a cyst wall around the body. Yes, this is what? What is this? A cyst wall. Like this. This is a cyst wall around the body. Now, in this stage, this is called what? Oocyst. What is this? Oocyst. After encystation means what? The process of formation of cyst wall around the body is called encystation. It is also like this occurs in the lumen of the crop of the mosquito. But here also all these stages are occurs in where? The crop of the mosquito. Very simple. The next one is the oocyst, like say. After encystation, 50 to about 50 to 500 oocysts are formed in the crop of the mosquito, which are appears like a nodules. Yes, how many oocysts are formed here? Approximately 52, like this. 50 to 500 oocysts are formed in the crop of mosquito and which are appears like a small nodules. Yes, this is actually about what? The formation of ookinete and oocyst. That's it. Now, let us discuss about what the last stage that is called sporogony. You know very well about the sporogony. Sporogony means nothing but the formation of sporozoites. Formation of what? Sporozoites is called sporogony. Now, let us see how the sporozoites are formed in this process. Yes, let's say this is what nucleus, you know very well. Yes. The nucleus of the oocyst, which is undergoes first reduction, then it is followed by repeated mitotic division as a result, which can form the number of sporoblasts. For example, is there what is this? This is the next stage. In this stage, what will happen here? The nucleus is first undergoes reduction, then it is followed by repeated mitotic division as a result which can form the sporoblast. Now, so there, this is what the next stage. In this stage, what is this? All are what? The nucleus. Like say, all I told which are formed what? Sporoblast. This is what? Nuclei. Yes, in this stage, which all are what? Nuclei. In this stage, which form what? Yes, whatever these all are what? The formation of sporoblast, which are sporoblast. Yes, formation of the sporoblast. Then the nucleus of sporoblast, again which are divides and form several nuclei. Then each nucleus is surrounds get the bit of the cytoplasm and which are transformed into or which forms the sickle-celled sporozoites. Yes, in the next stage, what is this? This is the next stage. In this stage, like say, what is this? Sporozoites, like this. Yes, whatever. Yes, this is called what actually in this stage the sporoblast or the sporozoites are formed. Now come to the point. What I am saying here, each nucleus of sporoblasts divides and forms several nuclei. Then each nucleus get the little bits of the cytoplasm, then which form sickle cell shaped structures. That is called what? The sporozoites. Then the spore approximately 10,000 sporozoites are formed in this stage. After that, like said, in which next what will happen here? Due to rupturing of these layer, the sporozoites are released into hemocoel of mosquitoes. Hemocoel mean what? Body cavity, nothing but hemocoel of the mosquitoes. Approximately how much? 10,000. Later, which are travels to the salivary glands, then which are ready to enters into the next host. Yes, this is what due to the rest, the sporozoites are released. Yes, but actually this is stage what the sporozoites within the oocyst is called sporocyst. This stage is called what? Sporocyst stage. Yes, this is. Then whenever the mosquito bite the human being, then which is released into the blood of the human being. Whatever this is part the life cycle of plasmodium vivax in mosquito. Got it? Yes. And dear students, my humble request to you, please like my videos and share my videos to your friends, as well as if possible you can suggest to your friends, neighbor, relatives to subscribe my channel. Thank you.